Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to view and submit an assignment on Microsoft Teams. So I've got Teams opened up on my computer now. Whichever lesson is next on your timetable, click on the team for that subject. So I'm just going to click on this one as an example. So when your teacher sets an assignment for you to complete, it will appear in the post area here. So you can see how this assignment has been posted, and I can view it by clicking on this link. I can also view my assignments for the subject by clicking on the assignments tab at the top. So if I click on the one that's just been set for the next lesson, click on view, and it'll take you to your assignment that's been set by your teacher, the title of it, the instructions that your teacher has set, as you can see, with some reference materials and work for you to complete. So before the lesson starts, thoroughly read through the instructions that your teacher's written for you. The first one, as you can see here, asks you to revisit your assignment from the previous lesson. And if you click this link, you'll be able to see feedback from your teacher for last lesson's work. So I'm just going to show you as an example. It'll take you to the Microsoft form that I completed last lesson with some feedback from my teacher here, what went well and an EBI. So that might be helpful if this next lesson builds on the lesson that you learned last week. So I'll go back to the assignment now. Obviously join the lesson when the lesson starts at the start of the period. We're going to do another video on how to actually join a live lesson. So if you're unsure about that, please make sure you watch that video. The teacher will have set you a quick 6 to complete that will most likely be on Microsoft Forms. You can see here that there's a link to the quick 6. So at the start of the lesson, make sure you click on that link. I'll show you what it looks like. It'll take you to another Microsoft form with your quick 6. So just choose your answers and then make sure you press that submit button there so the teacher can see that you have completed it. Okay, following the instructions then, after the teacher's given you their live input and has taught you some new content, there might be a number of different things that the teacher asks you to do as part of the assignment. They might have set some other questions on Microsoft Forms. So this, I think, was a marking feedback lesson. So there's a student response form here, again on Microsoft Forms, really straightforward. We've got a feed forward sheet, some answers to complete. So you just type your answers in the box for each question. And again, make sure you press submit at the end, because then the teacher will be notified that you've completed that piece of work. Sometimes a teacher might attach a Microsoft Word document that they might want you to edit, for example, with some questions on it, and they want you to type the answers to the questions. So if you click on the Word document, Microsoft Word will open actually within Microsoft Teams. And I can literally then just start typing. I'll just put test, start typing, and it automatically saves if you've got the document open in Teams. I'll just show you. I've closed it. I'm going to reopen it. And you can see that the test that I've just written is there. Sometimes students might want to open the document in actual Microsoft Word, in Microsoft Word program, because you get access to a few more different Microsoft tools that aren't available on Teams. So if you click on this editing button at the top and press open in desktop app, Microsoft Word will then open separately on your computer, as you can see is happening now. And the most important thing to remember here is if you are adding to the Word document in Microsoft Word, you just need to make sure in the top left corner that you press the save button, because it does not automatically save like it does if you're doing it actually within Teams. So once you press save, you can exit that Microsoft Word document, go back onto Teams, and it might look like whatever you've done on Microsoft Word isn't there. Look, the hello that I had just written hasn't appeared. So let's just check that it has, and it should have. If I reopen it, there you go. So please don't worry about Word not saving and not looking like it's there. If you just close it, re-click on it, it should be there. The exact same with a PowerPoint. Sometimes a teacher might attach a PowerPoint that they may want you to edit as well. So click on it, it'll open in Teams. If they want you to add anything to slides, you can literally just start typing. And again, when you're done, press close and it will automatically close. It'll automatically save, sorry. But you can also do the exact same as I just did in Word and press open in desktop app, but you just need to remember to press save. So once you have finished the work, I'd just reread over the instructions just to make sure you have ticked everything off. And once you're confident that you've completed it all, remember to press this button here in the top right corner, turn in. You'll get a notification then that you have turned in your assignment at a particular time. And then that will notify the teacher that you've turned in that assignment, and they'll be able to click through the work that you have completed. I hope that was helpful. If you are completing your assignment on a mobile phone, we're also going to do a video showing you what it looks like on a mobile device. So watch that one if you don't use a computer.